guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys like the new background, the new lighting. I will be playing with different lights, different videos, so I hope you guys like the change of scenery in the back. So now I'm really excited because today I'm going to be unboxing with you guys Boxycharm Base Box for the month of November. So really quick, I did use almost all of the items here to create this look I have right here, and the look is gonna be up in my Instagram so you guys get the chance of see how I created this purplish look. And yeah, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a beauty subscription membership. They have the base box, which is $25 a month for 5 full-size beauty items, and they have the premium, which is $39.99 for 6 full-size beauty items. So it's wonderful, amazing different brands that you get to try out for a portion of the price. And yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys this box. So let's get started to the unboxing. All right, so here's the box, and this is the card for this month, which is a Boxycharm invite only, and it's really cute. It has a lot of different like Christmas ornaments and I guess like a pumpkin here, I think. So it's just like a bunch of different cute pink stuff. So that's really cool. And then right here are all the items with the description and the price. Now, I'm going to be taking it out and showing you guys what I got. And I'm going to have like a little bit of a feedback to all of these items because I did try most of them to create this look that you have right here, and which I hope you like. So now let's start with the first product, which is from Kate Somerville, Skin Health Expert. It's for sensitive skin. It's the Gold Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. Well, I did open it. I'm going to show you guys the texture of it. I haven't tried it, but I have tried from this same line their moisturizer, and it's really good, especially for like eczema. And I really like that they have a cleanser, and I'm super excited to try this out. It's a really pretty purple lavender color on the packaging. Then let me show you guys the texture of it, which is like, it feels like really creamy, almost like a lotion. So this is gonna be amazing, and this is going to go in my shower. So now let's see the price of this. The price of Kate Somerville Gold Milk Moisturizing Cleanser is $40. And it says that it's a gentle daily face wash that's formulated to cleanse and soothe without tightness or irritation. It enhances non-foamy, creamy formula that removes makeup, dirt, oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's radiance and essential moisture. So that's amazing. Next product is from Ace Beauty. And this is the Eyeshadow Amplifying Base and Light. So I have it right here so you guys can see it. It's in a nice little like tube thing. It's pretty cool. The applicator, you just take it out, and then you just apply it with your finger to the eye or with a brush. I did use this as a primer for before I put this eyeshadow on, and I gotta say that it's really good. And I'm glad I got light because I want my eyeshadow to pop. So if you want that, you tend to get like a little bit lighter or much lighter than your skin tone so that the eyeshadows can pop out, the shades. So it worked amazing. As you can see, it's under my shades, the different shades that I have here. And it's really good. I highly recommend this. So I'm really glad I got this and I got to try it out. And this is the Ace Beauty Eyeshadow Amplifying Base, and it's worth $14.99. So I think this is a pretty cool price for this. And you could even use it for a concealer. Like, I don't know, it kind of like felt like a concealer, like the texture. So I really like this. Next is from Seraphine Botanicals, and this is the Primrose Plus Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. Let me show you the inside of this. It has 3 different shades. It comes with a mirror. As you can see, I used 2 of the shades already. This one and this one. So I used this one for my blush, which was pretty decent pigmented. Like you can still see it. I really like that. I'm starting to like a lot of like cream blushes, and I think it looks more natural and like really pretty. Now for the lips, I did use this, but you could barely see it. I had to go over with another lipstick that I have similar color, but maybe it's like if I would have gone with these two for my lips, maybe it could have seen a little bit better, but this one was like really light. But for sure, for the blush, it will look amazing. So I really like that. The price of this is $42, so it's a pretty expensive palette, so I'm glad I got it in Boxycharm. Next, we have this beautiful palette from Violet Boss, and it's the Violet Sunset Pro Series Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigmented Palette. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside of it. Comes with a huge mirror, and it has all of these beautiful warm tone shades that are perfect for now, the fall. I actually use the color Sunset, Dusk, Lilac, and Violet Sunset, and they worked amazing. They work really good. As you can see, I have all of them right here on my eyes right now, and I really like it. It blended beautifully and very pigmented. So now the price of this is $37, and something that's really cool that it says here is that it's a Boxy exclusive. So you could only get it like right now on Boxycharm. So like with your membership, you could get this. So that's pretty cool. And the last thing is this lip oil from the brand Trust Fund Beauty, and it's called Better Than Therapy Lip Oil, and it's actually $18, and it says that it's rough out there, but lips don't need to be. Take a minute for some sexy self-care with Better Than Therapy Lip Oil infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your pout some TLC. It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. Use alone or as a perfect topper for lipstick and lip liner when you want an ultra juicy look. Okay, so I did use this. I applied it with my finger because I didn't want to get the wand dirty. Let me show you the wand. It's a regular white one. So I really like it that it was like really hydrating on my lips. So I like that it's a multi lip oil and treatment, so that's really cool for the lips. And like I said, it's $18, and that's it. I think that was all of the products here. So if you want to check out this look, I will be creating a reel on my Instagram. My Instagram is at Lismania Beauty. So let me add up all of these items to see the value of this box, which is only $25. Now we have the Violet Boss eyeshadow palette for $37. Then we have the Somerville Gold Milk Moisturizing Cleanser for $40. The Seraphine Botanicals Prime Rose Plus Cream and Lip and Cheek Cream Palette for $42. The Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil for $18. And the Ace Beauty Eyeshadow Amplifying Base for $14.99 for a total value of $151.99. So I think that's just amazing that you only pay $25 for this box and you get amazing products. And thank you very much, Boxycharm, for sending me this box that I loved. I really like that there was like most of it makeup. That's a plus. Plus this wonderful cleanser that I am dying to use. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!